Hey, what is up, guys? So, I thought I'd be sharing a bit of my projects that I've been working on. Um, this current system is a variable pitch controller that allows the captain to have complete control over the propeller blade pitch angle, and um this system is being controlled by a Delta AS 218 TX series, and the HMI is the DOP 107WV. This is my own custom system, designed, manufactured, coded, everything uh, completely by myself. It's also been installed in a few vessels, and currently it also had a few upgrades, which I now included a closed small network, which then would allow me for future use to um, do port forwarding and most probably remote access to ensure that the guys on the sea have um, my full support, technical support, should there be an issue. So without further ado, this is a preview of how the system is. So the organized mess you see here is actually my simulator. I'm currently still busy completing a few things, and then I'll be having it in full swing. But this is where all of my testing is being done uh, prior, prior to installation on board a trawler vessel. So I've also included a few safety features. Um, this is for pure complete control. So there is no command either in engine room or bridge, meaning there's no external signal or false signal that can cause um, the propeller pitch to be altered without the user command or demands. So you will see that there's a little pop-up there that tells you to move the lever being operated by the captain in zero position. So once the lever is in zero position, the pop-up disappears, and then selection can be completed. Another feature is also from the signal should come from engine room via the chief engineer. Then the command will flash telling the captain that command has been given over to him, and once he selects, the command light will just stay illuminated, and then he will have complete control over the system. Also, another great feature, I've included a onboard diagnostic. So should there be any failure, it will immediately engage emergency, give you the feedback or the issue. The chief engineer can go review, you will know exactly where to go, rectify the fault. Once the fault has been rectified, the active fault will then disappear, and the history or the frequency will be recorded. Then we also have the position of the propeller that can be indicated, the captain's position of his command given, and should there be emergency or no response from the PLC, emergency can be engaged, and then these two buttons can be operated manually, and they would then bypass the PLC system, leading straight to the relays being operated. Another feature is for calibration. So here you can adjust or calibrate the lever, your feedback on the pitch or the propeller. You have your sensors readout. You have a head and a stern limit, another two safety features. And then you also have your head adjustment and boost controller to ensure that you have complete or full boost at any demand you should wish the pitch position to be. And then also to allow me uh, for remote access and also diagnostics or upgrades. I can then also see what the system is doing. Yeah, I can simulate my HMI. We just go online. And here I'm able to see exactly what my code is doing on the PLC. And another feature I've been busy with or concept is also the Easy Builder Pro version, which then I will be using a Ventec headless HMI, also just for the purpose to allow me bigger screen, and for the future maybe broadcast this signal onto an Android box, TV box, or uh, implement an app, Android or iOS app, that can allow me to do remote access and viewing on my mobile. So here you can see I have the exact same concept. Just a few bugs to iron out. that is a preview of my system. Currently, it's been operating for a few years, 100% success rate. So let me know if there's anything you'd like to see, or perhaps a full development of the system. Just comment in the section below or send me a mail. Bye.